Hello everyone. In this video actually, I'm going to be looking at an iPhone 5 I got. So in this video we're going to be looking at basically the setup of the device, an unboxing. It's used, so it just came in a generic box, so hopefully it's not going to be iCloud locked. Oh, it's a 5S, not a 5. So in the box we got this USB cable thing. We got this box, and we got a charging cable. It's a 5S. The reason I'm going to talk while I open this, the reason I got this thing actually was so that I could play some old iOS games. I found a thing, I don't know if there's this thing called Keybase, where people can literally just upload whatever they want. And I actually found this thing full of old IPAs. So we're going to look here. It seems to be packaged quite, whoa. Okay, this is actually packaged quite nicely. I am impressed. Alright, so we're going to try power it on. Oh, and it boots up. It's iPhone 6S 16 gigs. I'm probably going to have to make another video where I actually downgrade this to iOS 10, so it'll allow me to run 32-bit apps. It's booting up right now. Still booting up. Oh. And we're in setup. So I'm going to try turn voiceover on. I'm going to have to take this weird screen protector off.
Low battery. Low power. Close. But close. No SIM card. Okay. Okay. Set. Français. English. Button. Alert. Low battery. Low battery.
Oh, it's low battery. I'm just gonna. I have a cable. I'm just gonna plug into then. There we go. Oh, this is iOS 10. Crap. I mean, this is iOS 12.
10 for low. Close. Close. English. But back button.
So we're gonna.
Select your country. Canada. Button. Next button enable. Back button. Back choose another. Billet.
Oh.
Secure.
So.
Signal strength 94%. Clancy.
Oh.
Billet 2G. Billet. Secure. Password. Shift.
Okay.
Character. Words. Speaking. Containers. Headings. Typing mode. Direct touch typing.
So I'm gonna pause this, enter the Wi-Fi password. Okay.
10%. Join. Button. Join. In progress.
We're gonna see if. Hopefully this isn't iCloud locked.
Next button enable.
Oh.
No SIM. About location enable disable location service enable
Yeah.
disable alert disable location disable maps and other okay. Place your finger.
Oh, Touch ID.
Place your finger.
So Touch ID work.
Move finger.
Oh.
Place your finger. Adjust your grid. Keep continue. Photo continue. Place your finger.
So Touch ID does seem to actually be working.
Touch ID is ready. Continue. Button. Passcode. 414710. Delete.
I don't know.
1 2 3 4. Create a touch ID passcode options. Pass alert. Custom 4-digit numeric.
Oh, this device is getting hot.
4 4 1 2 3 4. Are you sure you? Are you this code use change button?
Yeah, we're gonna use that code.
Passcode 0 and 4 value 4 1 4 7. Delete.
No, stop.
2 1 2 3 4.
Okay. Dang, this device is getting hot.
Restore from iCloud.
Oh,
Apps and
no.
Reset move data from what does restoring your personal what move set up as new iPhone.
Yes, that was new.
Set up back button. Sign Apple ID exam password require. Don't have an Apple ID. Your Apple about use different Apple ID. Your app don't have.
I think we hit
ID.
don't. I don't want to use an Apple ID right now. So I think we hit.
Apple create a free setup later in
Yeah,
settings.
you set up later in settings.
Are you sure you don't want to use it?
I think there's a screen protector on here.
Are you use Apple? Don't use.
Don't use.
Set up later in settings. Terms and conditions sent by email. Important.
Yeah.
Terms and back button. Send important. Agree.
Agree.
Siri to use Siri. Press an image. Siri continue. Don't use
it right now.
Diagnostic. Help Apple about don't send.
Send. Sure.
Back button. About help app developers improve their app and about don't share.
Fine.
Share. Welcome to iPhone. Get started.
All right.
Home. Mail. Net music. Phone. Help. iBook. iTunes Store. App Store. Home. Videos. Stocks. Remind. Note. Maps. Clock. Web wallet. Camera. Photo. Calendar. Mail. No unread emails.
Okay.
Double. Page 3 of 3. Extra. FaceTime. Podcast. Watch. FaceTime. Double extras folder.
Where's the settings at?
Find my compass tips. Find my compass tip. Voice contact.
Yeah, so this was just basically a quick setup and unboxing. There isn't really much to this. Where's settings?
Closing extras folder. Page 2, page 1 of 3. Search. Today. Page. Alert. Settings. Turn on locations.
Yeah,
Settings.
get me to settings. I don't know where the settings icon is. Oh, this is iOS 12. Crap.
Share my privacy. Privacy. Contact.
Stop.
Contact. Privacy. Privacy. Private setting. Settings.
Yeah.
Settings. Notification. Do not
General.
General. About. Select. Network. Songs. Video. Name. About. Name. iPhone. Videos. Photos. Capacity. 12.12 gigabytes. Available. 9. Version. 10.1.1.
Oh.
14v100.
No way, this is iOS 10. This means sideloading is going to be super easy.
Carrier 26.0. Version. 10.1.1. 14v100.
This one, oh my gosh.
Model. ME200. Serial not Wi-Fi access. Modem IMEI. 0. Model.
Okay, I'm going to actually...
General. About. Software. 325p. Software update. Button.
Okay, I'm going to go here.
Select software. Software up. iOS 12. Software update. Heading. Apple Inc. Down. About what? This update for downloading. Dim.
No.
HTTP for information. This update provides
How the
about
heck?
1 minute remaining. Download progress.
Frick.
Apple Inc. iOS 12.5.7. iOS 12.5.7. Apple Inc. Dimmed. Software update. Heading. General.
How the heck do you how do you stop it? I don't want this update at all.
App down about for this update for information. Downloading. Dimmed. Button.
No, I don't. How do you stop it from?
General. Downloading. Dimmed. Button.
iOS 10 stop automatic updates. How the heck did you turn it off?
iOS 12.5.7.
Okay, so I think